Assalamu alaikum dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with new video. Dear friends and dear viewers, how are you? I hope you are all fine and doing well. In this video, I will show you very trendiest, most demanding, most beautiful hair cutting and hair styling ideas. A smooth trend creates a polished look, shine makes all the difference. A fresh hairstyle brings instant confidence, new hair, new energy. Soft layers add natural movement, flow keeps it effortless. A sharp pop feels modern, clean cuts highlight features. Defined curls show personality, texture makes it unique. Long hair carries timeless beauty, length adds graceful charm. A sleek ponytail looks powerful, simplicity can be striking. Curtain bangs frame the face gently, soft edges enhance beauty. Subtle highlights add deep, light tones create dimension. A neat trim keeps ends healthy, maintains protects style. Beachy waves feel carefree, loose texture looks fresh. Healthy roots support strong strands, care begins at the base. A texture pixie feels bold, show styles show confidence. A smooth straight hair feels refined, sleek lines look elegant. Balanced layer prevent heaviness, shape keeps hair lively. A soft fringe adds charm, small details change everything. Glossy finish reflects good care, shine enhance beauty. A messy bun feels relaxed, casual style can still shine. Natural texture deserves attention, authentic beauty stands out. Side swept style look classy, angels create elegance. Deep conditioning restores softness, hydration improves texture. A bold haircut refreshes your vibe, changes feel empowering. Clean edges make style sharp, precision improves appearance. If you like this style, like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you want to watch get more ideas, so visit my YouTube channel and watch my other videos and get more ideas. Thick hair needs smart shaping, balance, controls volume. Fine hair benefits from layering, structure adds fullness. Soft curls feel romantic, gentle movement enhance grace. A center part creates symmetry, balance, sharpness the look. Proper care maintains shine, healthy hair lasts longer. Beautiful hair reflects self-care, confidence shines through every strand. So my dear friends, we will be right back. Take care of yourself. See you soon with new video, new trendy videos, new ideas videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.